Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yemi D here. If you're new, if you're not new, welcome back. So today I want to be showing you guys how you can make extra money as a lash tech by selling lash shampoos. If you don't already offer lash shampoos for your clients, you guys should definitely hop on that trend. It's definitely a way to earn extra money for your business, as well as providing great service and great retention for your clients. So once you make your lash shampoos, you can create a kit for them, throw little spoolies. You can even add a fan or like a little eye mask if you want to like keep it cute, or maybe candy. Any way you want to customize your lash shampoo, definitely do that, and you can definitely charge between like $10 or $30 depending what you have in the kit for them. So I'm just going to show you guys all the tools and how I make my lash shampoos for my clients. So the supplies that you're going to need is distilled water. You don't want to be using no tap water, no filter water. You want to use distilled water, and that's basically water that has been boiled and resurfaced back into the bottle. So clean water. So the next thing you're going to need are these kind of bottles. It's called the foam dispenser bottle with silver pump. You can get it in different colors. You can get it in pink, you can get it in white, depending on your kind of brand. I'm gonna list it down in my Amazon storefront if you guys want to purchase these, but I get this from Amazon. So I just have 2 boxes of this. And then this is the main thing you're going to need. This is the Pro Long Lash Concentration. So this is what makes the lash shampoo. So it's gonna be a little bit of this, and then the distilled water, and you're just gonna put it in the bottle and then you're gonna shake it up. So this is very important. I'll also link this below. And then the last thing you're gonna need are your labels. You can get your labels anywhere. You can get a sticker if you want to. I just like the way my labels are because it has my logo and also has directions, caution, and the ingredients in the bottle. I think that's very important to list the ingredients in your lash bottles, just because you don't know what anybody is allergic to. And the Pro Long does supply you a ingredients list, so you can just copy and paste onto your stuff. So that's exactly what I did. So yeah, I have the caution, the ingredients, and the directions of how to use it, and I'll just stick it on the bottle. I did make these labels on Canva, and then I ended up printing it in a company called Avery, and you can print out like a ton of these for a really affordable price. I'll also link the website down below of where I got these from, so definitely check my description bar. Everything will be listed down below. Yeah, we're just gonna get started on making these shampoo, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. So my hands has already been washed, so as well as the bottles. The bottle has been washed, cleaned out, and dried. So we're gonna start off by putting in the Pro Long concentration into the bottle.
Life move fast and you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want.
And then after I have done that, we're just gonna fill in the rest of the bottle with distilled water, and then close it up, and then you're just gonna shake it.
My new bitch look like Tyler Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, down low, maybe. In the meantime,
I'm doing what I want.
it's the meantime. No, I'm on my killers, don't tell. Shadow, I'm on, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is digital Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, get a little maybe. In the meantime,
I'm doing what I want.
it's the meantime.
You doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
I'm doing what I want.
it's the meantime.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
I'm doing what I want.
it's the meantime.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth. My new bitch look like Tyler Berry, But she don't love me, she too scary. My hope is fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down.
So here I'm just going to demonstrate on how I give my client a lash bath. My client here is coming in for a 4-week fill-in, so I'm just going to go ahead and wash her lashes.
It's some me time. Crib by the beach like Odell. No, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitches did Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, get a little maybe. In the meantime, get some me time. I don't know.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
just stop doing what I want.
get some me time.
You do what you want.
In the meantime,
just stop doing what I want.
get some me time.
You do what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth. My new bitch look like Halle Berry. But she don't love me, she too scary. My hope is fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, down no maybe. In the meantime,
stop doing what I want.
get some me time.
You do what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. No, my killers don't tell.
If you guys would like a video on how I do my fill-ins, like how I remove outgrown lashes, just comment that down below and I will do that video for you guys.
Leading lady, I wanna contract, get a little maybe. In the meantime,
stop doing what I want.
get some me time. I don't know.
You do what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
just stop doing what I want.
get some me time.
You do what you want.
In the meantime,
just stop doing what I want.
get some me time.
You do what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth. My new bitch look like Halle Berry. But she don't love me, she too scary. My hope is fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, down no maybe. In the meantime,
stop doing what I want.
get some me time.
You do what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. No, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitches did Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, get a little maybe.
I'm just going to show you guys how I package my lash shampoos. There's different ways you can package your lash shampoos. I've seen people put it in like this cute little, like a legit container. I'm going to put it in right here in the screen for you guys so you guys can know what I'm talking about. But there's different ways you could do that if you want to. You could just put it in a bag if you want to, like a cute little logo bag if you want to. But I just keep mine real simple because I just feel like they're just gonna throw it away, because that's what I would do. I'm not gonna keep it back. So I just have these bags. These are called the Black Oregon Recent Wedding Giveaways. So just this black bags, mesh bags like this. And I'm gonna link this in my Amazon storefront as well. So I'll have this, and then I also bought the brush for them. I have it in white because that's my like my color scheme. Actually, I should change this because I don't know why this is gold. Anyways, so I'll just grab a lash shampoo and I'll put it in this bag like this, and then I'll give them the brush, and then I'll give them like 2 extra spoolies, and then I'll just tie it up and then give it to them like that. But that's only when they're purchasing. I do have my lash shampoos in display, just so it's easier for you to see. And then sometimes if I forget to like recommend my shampoos, they be like,
oh yeah, you have shampoos, can I buy some?
It's like right there in the space so you guys can see it. I definitely want to share that with you guys, just to give you guys an extra little coin in your pockets. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like lash videos like this, or like want to know more any lash tips, definitely let me know down in the comments down below, and I will definitely answer them or do a video for you guys. I do plan on doing a Q&A video because there's a lot of questions you guys ask me, and I just want to put it all in one video so it's easy to attain. So if you have any questions for my Q&A, comment down below. Just put Q&A and then the question you want to ask me, and I will definitely make a video answering all you guys questions. So thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.